If your cup of bug string has become fully detached from the lid, here's how you can reattach it. Unscrew the handle. Begin by using a screwdriver to remove the screw located at the bottom of the handle. This will allow you to unwind the string from its anchor point. Detach the poles. With the string free, you can now proceed to detach the poles. Attach string to lid. Tie a knot at the end of the string and attach it to the lid. Thread the string. If the string isn't already threaded through the white tube at the cup's base, you'll need to do so. This step may take some patience, as it could take a bit of time to get the string to emerge from the other side. Once it does, give the string a gentle pull to ensure that the lid operates correctly. Pass the string through the poles. Carefully pass the string through the poles, taking care not to pinch the string. Note, for simplicity, this guide omits the black tube. Your cup of bug will function without it, but bear in mind that it's strongly advised against disassembling the pole after repair. Attach the string to the handle. Pass the string through the slotted hole near the handle. Reinsert the screw, but do not tighten it completely just yet. Position the handle and adjust string tension. Ensure the handle is in its locked position at the back. Pull the string so that the lid closes fully, and while maintaining tension, wrap the string around the anchor point 5 to 7 times. Secure the string. Wrap the string around the screw once or twice, then tighten the screw until it's snug. If your lid doesn't fully close after these steps, it's likely because tension was lost when wrapping the string around the anchor. Repeat the steps above, making sure to maintain tension throughout the process.